Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will set up this project so that we can create an application which supports internationalization. Now friends, internationalization means that we need to support a large variety of character set, a large variety of languages, a large variety of symbols, right? Now for that matter of purpose, our encoding scheme needs to be better than ISO. In fact, we will be supporting UTF, Unicode Transfer Format, for this page so that we can support other than English language as well. So in here, the first change in order to support internationalization is to update the character set as UTF 8-bit. There is also a yet another version of UTF which is UTF-16, but UTF-8 is good enough for us. UTF stands for Unicode Transfer Format. For page encoding, again we will make use of UTF-8. So in here we will type in UTF-8. Now apart from this, we need to also configure our Eclipse IDE, our workspace, in order to support this UTF page format. So we will highlight this option window, we will navigate to preferences, we will maximize this, we will navigate to general, and in here we have this option of workspace. And if we scroll down, we have this option of text file encoding. Now by default, the text file encoding is CP1252, right? But we will update this, we will select this radio button as other, and then we will choose UTF-8. Alright, let me apply the changes and close this window. Alright, so this looks good to me. Now moving forward, let us quickly add couple of hyperlinks in here. So we will first of all add in a label, and it would be like view website in colon, and now we would be adding couple of hyperlink. Now these hyperlink would be based on relative paths. So the relation would be based on our get parameters, and the get parameter label would be locale. And now let us quickly check in the locale table. Here is the locale table which is available to us, and if we see, we have like plenty of options. One of the option is United States English, and the locale ID is EN_US. So this would be our default locale, which is EN_US, and we will give the label as English, and in brackets let us add in US. Alright, so this looks good to me. Now let me copy this part and let me paste this couple of times. Alright, and we would be like add in couple of BR tags again real quick, and we would be also adding a HR tag. Alright, now finally let us update these locale IDs. So the next locale ID which we will use is, for example, Spanish. Now there are like multiple Spanish variations as well. For example, let us take the Spanish from Argentina, for example. Now the locale ID is ES_AR. So let us update this locale value in here, and let us also add in the label properly. So it would be like Argentina, right? Likewise, let us also add in a yet another language. It could be, for example, Russian from Russia. Alright, and the locale is RU_RU. Let me update this real quick, and in here we will type in Russia. Alright, and finally let us also add in a language for India. So in here we will type in India, and what is the locale of India? Let me check. So in here there are two locales for English and Hindi. So we will take the language Hindi. That would be interesting. And let me update the locale. Alright, so this looks good to me. And now finally let us try to execute this program on our web server. And here is the output. Perfect. So the output is looking good. And now if I click on this English US, then the URL will change a little. If I click on Argentina, then again the URL will change, the update value will change. When it comes to Russia or India, again, the links are working properly. Alright, so this is cool, and in our next video we will proceed further and try to make this application working. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.